Hi Azai, Azai's ABC book by Ali May.
A. A is for alligator. B. B is for bees. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dinosaur. E. E is for elephants. F. F is for fox. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for horses. I is for inchworm. J. J is for jaguar. K. K is for kangaroo. L is for llama. M is for monkey. N is for numbat. O is for owl. P is for parrots. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for worms. X is for xerus. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra.